Today I'm making slime. Wait, what else do I say? Hey guys, it's just Jules. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Stick around. Don't go anywhere. Hey guys, it's just Jules. Thanks for tuning back in. Today I'm going to be making slime. The ingredients you will need are glue, a glass bowl. You'll need a glass bowl with borax in it, a tablespoon, warm water, a spatula, and a plastic bag, or you could just use a plastic container. So let's get started. Well, I have metallic glue and kind of like a clear color glue. I'm gonna put the pink metallic glue in first. So cool. Oh, it's so shiny and pretty. It's like a rose kind of color. Doesn't want to come out. There. So now I'm going to add the clear color glue. This is like a pretty shiny glue also. Okay. The clear color glue is very liquidy also. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the warm water and we need to pour it into the bowl with the borax. I'm just gonna use that much for now. And then you're going to wanna mix it up because the borax it has to mix with the warm water so that the borax kind of dissolves, so there's not like crumbles in your slime. So you want to mix it all up. Make sure there's no like kind of blocks of the borax in it. So you may want to smash it. So now I'm going to use the teaspoon, and then I'm going to scoop the water up with the borax, but not a lot of the crumbles of the borax. There's a tiny bit. And then you want to pour that in. You may want to do 2 or 3 drops. So maybe 4 or 5. But don't add too much, because if you add too much activator, which is borax and water, it may, like whenever you play with it, it may rip whenever you stretch it, so that may not turn out very well. So I'm gonna get my spatula and I'm going to mix it all up. You want to mix it up very well. Oops! Looks so pretty. Kind of looks like a dark purple, but a shiny way. Looks like a gel kind of a purple. So pretty. It's okay if you don't get all the colors mixed in, like all together. And if you see that it's still like glue, like it's still very gooey, then you want to add some more activator in. Okay, I think it's good. Oh, I can see it's starting to form a little bit. Whoa. So pretty. It's like a dark purple. I can see it's kind of coming off of the sides, but you want it to, like, if you see that the slime is coming off of the sides a little bit, then that means it's almost done. But you don't want to go in with your hands too soon, because your hands will get all messy and it'll get like all sticky. So you want to wait until you have most of it mixed in very well. I'm gonna add some more activator in. You might wanna add a lot more because this is kind of a big slime, kind of a medium size. But I want to add a lot of activator, but not too much. So I don't want to get it drippy. Okay, that's better. Now it's getting together more. Looks so weird. Let's add more activator. It's just not wanting to come together. Maybe it's because I'm not adding that much activator in it and I'm just adding a little water. We'll see how it does now because I put a little tiny bit of borax in it. Okay, it's kind of looking better. It's forming. Still kind of sticky. So I think it's almost done because it's starting to come off of the bottom a little bit. So I'm probably gonna go in with my hands with the borax on it though. I'm gonna put some on my hands now and rub it. Sit the spoon down. It may look a little bit rippy at first, but then it'll like start to come together. I may have went in too soon because my hand's kind of sticky, but I'm going to put some more of the activator on my hands. Oops. I'm gonna rub it in, and then this. You may want to mix it with your hands for a while because that'll make it come together more. Sounds like it's crunchy slime. You could use shaving cream to make your slime fluffy. You could add a lot of water to make your slime jiggly. You could also use like glow-in-the-dark glue if you want to have it glow in the dark. And yeah. Now that my slime is kind of like stiff a little bit. Feels kind of like rubber, but pokey, just a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed my slime video. Be sure to watch my other videos that I did. And always remember to like, subscribe, and share. And hit the bell. See you guys next time. Bye!